know things are super weird right now. Some of you are going back to school. Some of you are learning from home. If your parents are like mine, they're probably trying to figure out some fun things for you to do in the fall. So I wanted to let you know about a really cool place where you can learn how to act, dance, sing, and even do puppetry. And you don't even have to live nearby to take classes. You can do it virtually online from anywhere in the world. It's the Artisan Academy in Hurst, Texas. But hey, maybe you live in London, or Los Angeles, or Barcelona, and you've always wanted to be on Broadway. Sign up for Broadway Buddies, or Broadway Basics.
Hi, I am Allie Ryan Motley, and I'm actually sitting here on my balcony in New York City. I'm an equity actor, director, and producer. I performed all over the world, from Florida to Vegas to even New Zealand. And throughout my time in this industry, it's been one of my big passions to be able to teach and shape the next generation of performers. So I am so excited to be able to teach at Artisan this fall. I'm going to be teaching 2 different classes. The Broadway Buddies class, which is ages 4 to 5, and the Broadway Basics class, which is ages 6 to 9. In both of these classes, your students are going to learn the basics of musical theater and have fun while doing it. We will learn vocal performance, audition technique, acting technique, musical theater dance in all of its forms, and I am so excited to get started.
There's so much you can learn from the best teachers ever, and it's fun and affordable. Go to this website right now and check out all the classes for kids and even adults. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what's your favorite class.